we got another unboxing to do here. This is a bit of a bargain actually. There's older model Darth Sidious, Korbanth. It's it's a older model. I just sort of get my thoughts together. I do this sort of thing on the fly, but you probably figure that. But this uses the old electronics of a Nano Biscotti V4. So I'll get on and get the box open. Okay, I'm in. That was a bit confusing. It's a bit deceptive where the top of the box was. That's nicely packaged. It's the original box. Okay, that's well protected. Careful weighty. Here it is. Darth Sidious. That is quite a weighty little saber, actually. Very blingy. But I think that's so Darth Sidious had it, I think, sort of all blingy as a way of sticking it to the Jedi. You like to be all humble and all that sort of thing. There's the blade plug which comes with. I'll stop swinging the camera back. Just give a bit of a show off. It's quite impressive looking. This is second hand, of course, so got it much cheaper than the getting it first hand, of course. But it's quite a good deal, so I decided to go for it. I have to be careful. It's going to be a bit of a fingerprint magnet. There's the blade plug which goes with it. All fits in. I don't know if there's any power in this. This is a Nano Biscotti V4. Overall, quite nice. I think in the blurb they said there's some blemishes on the paintwork there now I can see, but that's just natural weathering, as I call it, because if it's been around the block a few times, it's gonna get these little bits sparing anyway. I've thought of going for Korbanth occasionally because they do look good, certainly, although I have concerns about their installations. People have trouble, but I don't know. You got the option of buying empties anyway, get them installed somewhere else, so that solves that problem. Yeah, it is pretty shiny. That's camera goes out of focus occasionally, but me don't like shiny things. But yeah, that's quite impressive, and it brings my number of character lightsabers I have up to 3. One with the Darth Vader and lightsaber Evan. Don't think it's any power in there or anything. Nope. Okay, for the moment, afraid there won't be any switching on in this video, but I'll be doing later videos with it. switching on after I've got some power in there and suss things out a bit. But I think that's about it. Just one more tour of the hilt. Tour of the hilt, I should say. It's almost organic in a way. Yeah, very impressive. Weighty, which certainly gives the impression of quality. So that'll be it on this unboxing. And I'll be featuring a review. I may do a demo because Korbanth Sabers usually have sound quants included in with them. I think the Nano Biscotti holds about 4, I might be wrong. And one thing I just remembered is this is a Troy Cree deep red, which makes sense as no other colour would really fit Darth Sidious' lightsaber. Certainly was one evil dude, but thanks for watching. Anyone who's watching this video, especially beyond the first 10 seconds. So big thanks to you, and I'll see you next time.